Hello, I'd like to welcome Chef Byron. She is the owner, the brainchild, the creator of this first major youth chef symposium.
That's right.
Welcome, Chef.
Thank you. Welcome to you. Welcome to the C.H.E.F Conference.
Well, tell us about how this brainchild of yours has come to fruition.
Absolutely. So I really just wanted to put together an opportunity for our industry to lean a little bit more into our youth and to give our youth the opportunity to learn about all the different facets of hospitality, what they can be taken advantage of. I understand how it feels to be a public education teacher, and it's hard to get out of the school and to visit all these different facets. So my thought was to say, hey, let's bring the industry to us, bring all the students to one space, give them an opportunity to learn, ask questions, get inspired. And so we birthed the C.H.E.F Youth Conference. And C.H.E.F stands for Culinary and Hospitality Enthusiast of the Future. And it's just a chance for mentorship and engagement. We're happy to welcome over 175 students today.
Nice.
And over 35 members of the industry representing all different facets. So I'm just so excited. This is a long time coming. It's really excited to see all the teachers and educators here as well supporting their students.
Well, Chef, I am so excited that you brought Discover DeKalb in because, with us representing hotels, culinary, tourism, this is the grassroots of getting people in the field.
That's right.
And you've done such a phenomenal job. I've been blown away when you're walking around inside as they're seeing pictures of how many kids are here,
That's right.
how many different schools are here. And this is all thanks to you rallying them and getting them to understand the power of tourism and culinary.
That's right. I'm so thankful to Discover DeKalb for saying yes to being a sponsor for this event. I think that other bureaus need to follow suit. I think this is a blueprint for how we support our youth in workforce development. There's so much for us to do. There's so many gaps to fill.
Yeah.
This is just one small space. We're talking about the hotel. We're talking about catering. We're talking about restaurants. We're talking about cruise ships. We're talking about entrepreneurship. We're in Atlanta,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
We've got a real opportunity, but really the responsibility to educate our young people on what's available in this industry.
And this is just the first one. It's going to get bigger and
Yes.
bigger.
Yes, I hope.
And, I know it will. I mean,
Yes.
just the power of the first day of this event
Yes.
and going forward is going to be amazing.
Yes.
Any
yes.
closing words you'd like to say to everyone, Chef?
I just want to thank everyone that's been involved. Thank you for those who have talked about the event. I want to invite everyone to be a part of the next event that we have. Like I said, we only have about 7 or 8 schools here today, 175 students. There are dozens of schools. And so the next time that we have this conference and we reach out and ask for support, please give your morning, give your afternoon to these students. It's worth it. We need to be really leaning into our youth now to build our industry. We are at a deficit right now as far as workforce is concerned.
Yes.
So everybody has got to get involved. Everybody has got to give their time. Everybody has to make an investment for the health of our industry. So, and James, I just want to end by telling you thank you for making this possible. Without Discover DeKalb, C.H.E.F Youth Conference would not be. And so we are just so happy to share our footage after this so everybody can get excited along with us.
Well, I'd like to close with, Chef, thanks for giving me the opportunity to say, yes, Chef.
Yes, Chef. Absolutely. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. Thank you.